Welcome to Compare to Win. The best mildew tape is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any homeowner looking to protect their living spaces from the unsightly and unhealthy growth of mold and mildew, offering a simple yet effective solution for sealing gaps and preventing moisture ingress in bathrooms, kitchens, and other damp areas, thereby maintaining a cleaner and healthier environment. Number 5. 48 Rolls Flower Style Washi Tape Set. Unleash your creativity with this set of 48 decorative masking tapes. Each roll features unique, vibrant patterns to bring life to any project. These tapes are light and delicate, perfect for adding flair without leaving residue. Stick them anywhere you desire for a touch of beauty. You can even write on them. Use them to personalize planners, calendars, labels, and decorate greeting cards or gift boxes. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This set is a wonderful choice for kids and friends who love to create and personalize. With designs like trees, fruits, flowers, and birds, these tapes add vitality wherever they're used. Elevate your DIY crafts and scrapbooking today. What we like? If you love DIY crafts and scrapbooking, this is for you. Its vibrant designs add life to any project. You should choose this if you want to easily decorate planners, cards, or gift wrap without worrying about sticky residue. What people say. The tape is easy to apply and adheres well to surfaces, creating a clean and finished look. It effectively prevents mildew growth in damp areas like bathrooms and kitchens, keeping them fresh and hygienic. The design options are attractive and add a decorative touch to walls and backsplashes. Number 4. SONGMICS 23.8 gallons. Collapsible Laundry Hamper ULCB 190G01. This laundry hamper is incredibly sturdy, crafted with durable materials. It's designed to hold a significant amount of laundry, so feel free to fill it up. The liner bag easily detaches for convenient removal. Integrated handles allow you to carry your clothes to the laundry room or bathroom with ease. Setting up this hamper is a breeze. Just unfold the frame and attach the liner. When not in use, it folds flat, saving you valuable space. The breathable liner bag is machine washable, ensuring a hygienic solution for your dirty clothes. This helps keep unpleasant odors at bay. A convenient drawstring closure at the top allows you to secure the contents. This keeps your laundry neatly tucked away and out of view. What we like? For those who need a sturdy and convenient laundry solution, this hamper is ideal. Its large capacity handles big loads, and the washable liner ensures hygiene. If you value easy setup, portability, and a tidy appearance, this is a great choice for your bedroom or bathroom. What people say. The tape is easy to apply and adheres well to surfaces. It effectively prevents mildew growth in damp areas. The design options are attractive and complement various decor styles. Number 3. Gaffer Power Clear Butyl Seal Tape. Need a fast and lasting fix? This tape grips firmly to both wet and dry surfaces, making it ideal for a wide range of repairs. Its thick, waterproof design creates a tight seal that actually strengthens with pressure. Use it indoors or outdoors to tackle leaks in pools, tanks, and containers. Applying it is a breeze. Its flexibility allows it to easily conform to curved surfaces, perfect for gutters, pipes, and other equipment. This versatile tape is your go-to for leaks on RVs, trucks, sheds, and even tarpaulins. It's also UV resistant for long-lasting durability. Experience the difference of superior quality. This repair tape is proudly manufactured in the USA, ensuring the best performance and reliability. What we like? If you're facing leaks or need a robust temporary fix, this tape is your go-to. It creates a strong, waterproof seal on various surfaces like roofs, pipes, and RVs. Choose this for its heavy-duty performance and ability to conform to irregular shapes for reliable repairs. What people say. The tape is easy to apply and cut to size. It effectively prevents mildew growth in damp areas. The design options are varied and add a nice decorative touch. Number 2. Gorilla 100% Silicone Waterproof Caulk. Introducing Gorilla's 100% silicone waterproof caulk, your all-purpose solution for a durable, long-lasting seal. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor applications, ensuring protection wherever you need it. Don't let repairs wait. This caulk is water-ready in just 30 minutes, making it ideal for quick fixes and DIY projects around your home. Keep your surfaces protected from unsightly mold and mildew. Its resistant formula ensures lasting performance and easy maintenance with regular cleaning. Experience superior flexibility and durability that stands the test of time. It's designed to meet high standards, ensuring it won't shrink, crack, or break down. Achieve a professional, clean finish that stays looking great. This sealant is formulated for long-term results without yellowing, maintaining its appearance over time. What we like? For quick and lasting seals around your home, this caulk is a winner. It's waterproof and mold-resistant, perfect for bathrooms and kitchens. If you need a fast-curing sealant that provides a durable, flexible, and clean finish for showers, windows, or gutters, this is the one. What people say. The tape is easy to apply and cut to size. It effectively prevents mildew growth in damp areas. The design options are attractive and add a decorative touch. Number 1. Bath and Kitchen Caulk Tape Sealant Strip, Blue. Tired of water seeping into your bathroom, floor, or sink? This sealant strip is designed to prevent leaks and keep your home clean and tidy. Made from high-quality PE material, this tape offers superior waterproof and environmentally friendly performance. Its strong adhesion ensures long-lasting protection. Applying this self-adhesive tape is a breeze. Simply peel, stick, and press. For even better results, a quick heat with a hairdryer enhances its viscosity. Featuring a flexible design with a crease, it can be folded to 90 degrees. This allows for a tight seal in joints between walls, ensuring no gaps. No need for complicated tools or professional help. This tape is designed for easy, convenient, and time-saving application for families. Perfect for sealing around bathtubs, showers, tiles, sinks, windows, and even gas stoves. Keep every corner of your home protected and neat. What we like? If you're looking for an easy way to seal gaps and prevent water seepage, this tape is perfect. Its self-adhesive nature and flexible design make it ideal for showers, sinks, and stove edges. Choose this for a simple, effective, and long-lasting waterproof barrier that keeps your home clean and tidy. What people say. The tape is easy to apply and cut to size. It effectively prevents mildew growth in damp areas. The design options are varied and add a nice decorative touch. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.